The big question is, kwa Mutua is Kalonzo an opponent or proponent, or what is he, for instance? And therefore, but because he's scared, doesn't know even what the crowd is supposed to say. He starts by appeasing, by talking about other people. Lakini yuke dho mundo wogelawa ambio tabiandoi. Hey, Kalonzo ne wendai yai. Na Kalonzo okele kuna silikali la uandikitwe niyo. What are you telling us? Wogelawa si Kalonzo kwatai. Well, we have Kalonzo, he can always have president. I think it just shows that he is ahead. Ndiye weani kabisa pa ukweti. We allow ukweti ni 2027. Atona kumobilize andu kenda o kainge with one or two people utona utumia ku negotiate kukwata another position. Kila twithite tuyona ni Mutua ainene ya muno yulo ayo opposition be wa isilikali. Wogela umbano ni wazia Kalonzo ne wendaya muzumbe umangwa kile vinda yona umangwa nginandu makasaba seto masanduko coffins na ndo acha muzumbe ne wendaya. So who are you serving? And I want to assure you, we are monitoring closely as a party. Some of these characters who are using these positions to fight for their own personal interest, it is just a matter of time. It is just a matter of time. At some point, even the cabinet yo nde okay nundu wangu yo yuko na zina Mutua ekithe onenge tokivila nambe weamba umina mwaka muima kana myaka ya luta umila ukamba naweza kumila uyuka unene ya Kalonzo ne wendaya uyuka unene ya Chap Chap na uyuka moko mathei utakuita mawe amazi ana zitu na we minister wa labor nuo ungamia mawe uyuka mathei una tourism uyuka paika indu na kabisa kama ka wa munyu kana ka kuwe Mombasa witho wa monize ka link ka mabisa monu mathogwa uyuka moko mathei na woko itwa Kalonzo ne wendaya tote ziruto wailo ne wendaya. No, I expect business to be everything to be business as usual. It will not. Need to cooperate. Kana Kenya Kwanza in many players, very independent. Na the main players, which is the UDA. Na also very small parties. Na these small parties nita syama hizi doazizi andweli ta Chap Chap. If indeed he supports the president fully, then vaina kituma maka andweli kata foldiwa. Ethiwa Kyama ni munonia the other day what Musali has done. It just tells you that if somebody is not willing to fold Kyama chandweli and another motive. Decision ya ku fold Kyama Chap Chap the moko ni ma Mutua. But without any fear of contradiction, it is the intention ya president that twama muthemba wa twama Mutua twaile ukunzwa nundu, they represent nothing but the same tribal politics ila tuenda run away from. And therefore, if Mutua doesn't heed to that, then obviously that decision is not within my hands alone. It is a decision to be made by our party leader, who is the president, and who is also the appointing authority. Na munonie Musalia the direction he took, I would want to advise the others to take the same route.